We have examined why exploring your topic is important to your research, but what sort of benchmark should you reach? How much exploratory research is enough? How do you know when to stop exploring and hone in on a researchable question? At the minimum, you should explore until you can answer the journalistic questions on your general topic. The who, what, where, when, and why questions. These questions may appear simple, but knowing the answers to them helps you narrow your topic enough to craft a strong research question and begin to formulate valuable keywords for additional research. Journalistic questions are 5 basic questions used by reporters to cover the essential details of the topic that they're writing about. We can adapt this technique to the college level to make it appropriate for research needs. Here's how we do it. When beginning your research, ask, who? The first question is who. Depending on your discipline, who addresses who is this author I am studying, how did their life impact their writing, who was involved in or impacted by this historic event, who is impacted by this disease, etc. For our topic, microplastics, we might ask, who is impacted by microplastics? What? Next, we ask, what? Questions such as what happens in this novel and what aspects of society does it reflect? What is the timeline of this historic event? Or what did this person do? What effects are caused by this environmental issue? For example, what are microplastics? What are the effects of microplastics? Where? We might ask, where is the cultural setting of this novel? Where did this historical event take place? Where is the environmental impact most severe? In the case of microplastics, where is microplastic pollution most common? When? When did this novel, historic event, environmental issue happen or begin? And finally, why is this novel, historical event, environmental issue significant or important? Why should anyone care about it? For our research on microplastics, we might demonstrate why anyone should care by finding important information about the quantity of microplastic pollution or the number of humans impacted and why they are impacted. You can follow up these general questions with more specific ones. For example, if we learned that people near industrialized cities are most impacted by microplastics, we might want to ask, is there a specific subset of these people who are at even greater risk, like people who rely on water-based industries, like fishing, for their income? When narrowing and figuring out your topic, use these questions to continue to drill down to your eventual, well-focused research question. Used in this manner, the 5 journalistic questions is a great start to your research journey.